Anyone struggling with creating content needs to watch this. The excitement is palpable as the topic of discussion is something that's revolutionizing the way content is created. Today, the fascinating world of AI and content creation is being explored with a tool that's changing the game, Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI-powered writing tool, making waves across various industries. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. It assists businesses, marketers, and writers in creating engaging and effective content effortlessly. Imagine a tool that understands needs and delivers exactly what's wanted. Consider all the content that needs to be produced: blog posts, ads, social media updates, and more. Writesonic can handle it all, making life so much easier. Writesonic is like having a tireless writing assistant available 24/7. No more late nights struggling to find the right words. Writesonic has it covered. It takes ideas and turns them into compelling content in no time. Just input thoughts and watch as Writesonic transforms them into polished pieces. Whether one is a seasoned writer or just starting, Writesonic can help streamline the content creation process. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient, catering to all skill levels. Let's explore what makes it so special. From its intuitive interface to its advanced algorithms, Writesonic is packed with features that set it apart from other writing tools. Ready to unlock the power of AI writing? With Writesonic, the future of content creation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Join in as the journey delves deeper into this incredible tool and discovers how it can transform the writing process. Writesonic is a one-stop shop for various content needs. Need a catchy blog post intro? Writesonic can generate several options in seconds. Crafting compelling product descriptions that convert? Writesonic has it covered. From social media posts to email campaigns, Writesonic offers a wide range of templates and tools. Creating high-quality content doesn't have to be a time-consuming struggle. With Writesonic, users can focus on what matters most: their ideas and their audience. Writesonic is more than just a content generator. It's a personal writing assistant. It helps users refine their writing with grammar and punctuation checks. It also suggests improvements to sentence structure and clarity. Need to make writing more formal or adjust the tone to match a brand? Writesonic can handle that too. It even offers paraphrasing tools to help avoid plagiarism and keep content original. In today's digital world, SEO is key. Writesonic understands this and offers tools to boost content visibility. It suggests relevant keywords to help content rank higher in search engine results. Writesonic also helps write compelling meta descriptions that entice users to click on the content. With Writesonic's SEO features, content can reach the right audience. Section 5. How Writesonic AI works. The magic behind the scenes. Writesonic's magic lies in its powerful AI algorithms. It uses a process called natural language processing, or NLP, to understand and generate human-like text. Users provide the input, and Writesonic does the rest. First, users give Writesonic some information about what they want to write. This could be a brief, keywords, or even just a topic. Writesonic then processes this information using its AI engine. Finally, it generates high-quality content tailored to the user's requirements. Section 6. Plans for everyone, from free trials to enterprise solutions. Writesonic offers a comprehensive range of pricing plans designed to cater to a diverse array of users and their unique needs. Writesonic provides flexible pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Whether someone is just starting out or looking to scale up, there's a plan available for them. Users can start with a free trial to explore its features and determine if it's the right fit. This trial period allows hands-on experience with the platform, ensuring it meets expectations before any financial commitment is made. From there, various paid plans can be chosen, each with its own set of features and usage limits. These plans are designed to grow with the user, offering more advanced tools and higher usage limits as needs evolve. Whether it's a solopreneur, a small business, or a large enterprise, Writesonic has a plan that fits their requirements. The platform is versatile enough to support a wide range of industries and business sizes, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their content creation process. It's a cost-effective way to scale content creation efforts without breaking the bank. By choosing the right plan, users can optimize their budget while still accessing powerful features that drive results. Writesonic's pricing structure ensures the best value for investment, helping achieve content goals efficiently and effectively. Section 7. Benefits of Writesonic AI, time, money, and creativity. Writesonic offers a plethora of benefits. First and foremost, it saves users time. Content creation can be time-consuming, but Writesonic automates much of the process. This frees up time for users to focus on other aspects of their business. Secondly, Writesonic saves money. Instead of hiring expensive writers or agencies, users can use Writesonic to generate high-quality content at a fraction of the cost. Finally, Writesonic can actually boost creativity. It helps users overcome writer's block and explore new ideas. Section 8. Writesonic AI versus the competition, a look at the landscape. Writesonic is not the only player in the AI writing tools market. Other competitors include Jasper AI, Copy AI, Writer, and Phrase. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice depends on the user's specific needs and preferences. Some tools excel at generating specific types of content, while others offer more advanced SEO features. It's essential to research and compare different options before making a decision. Section 9. Getting started with Writesonic AI, their first steps to content success. Getting started with Writesonic is easy. They simply need to sign up for a free account, choose a template, and start writing. The intuitive interface makes it easy for them to navigate and use, even if they are new to AI writing tools. Writesonic also offers a wealth of resources, including tutorials, blog posts, and a helpful support team. They'll be creating amazing content in no time. Section 10. Writesonic AI, the future of content creation? It's a question that has intrigued many, especially as society stands on the brink of a new era. AI is rapidly changing the world, and content creation is no exception. From generating ideas to drafting and editing, AI is revolutionizing every step of the process. Writesonic is at the forefront of this revolution, empowering businesses and individuals to create high-quality content with ease. Imagine having a tool that can help brainstorm, write, and refine content all in one place. While AI tools like Writesonic offer numerous benefits, such as saving time and enhancing productivity, they are not a replacement for human ingenuity. It's important to remember that they are tools designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not replace them. The magic happens when human creativity and AI efficiency come together. Human creativity and critical thinking remain essential for producing truly engaging and effective content. AI can provide the structure and suggestions, but the soul of the content comes from human experience and emotion. Writesonic is not here to replace human writers. Rather, it aims to be a valuable partner in the creative process. It's here to augment their abilities and make the content creation process more efficient and enjoyable. Imagine cutting down the time spent on mundane tasks and focusing more on what truly matters, crafting compelling stories and messages. So, embrace the power of AI and unlock the content creation potential with Writesonic. The future is not about choosing between AI and human creativity. It's about leveraging both to create something extraordinary. With Writesonic, the possibilities are endless. Whether one is a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tool can help elevate content to new heights. So why wait? Dive into the future of content creation today and see how Writesonic can transform the creative process.